Rain-X Windshield Repair Kit. The repair device. Included with kit. Pressure driver. Resin chamber. Suction cups. Applicator base. Directions for chips, bullseyes, stars. Wipe away the dust and dirt with dry paper towel. The windshield should be shaded from direct sunlight until the entire repair is complete. Step 1. Remove loose glass fragments by scraping over it with the razor blade. Screw the resin chamber into the center ring. Step 2. Affix the applicator base to windshield. Make sure the center ring is centered above the brake end. The suction cups are firmly attached to the windshield. Screw down the resin chamber, turning clockwise, so the rubber mouth is flat against the windshield, in complete, but gentle, contact with the glass. Use the enclosed razor blade to cut off the tip of the white bottle. Squeeze 3 to 6 drops of the repair resin the resin chamber mounted on the windshield, depending on the extent of the damage. Screw the pressure driver, clockwise, into the resin chamber to drive the resin into the brake. Tighten until the pressure driver is almost screwed all the way in. Check from inside the car to make sure the rubber mouth has opened wide. Allow the repair resin time to be absorbed into the brake, 4 to 6 minutes depending on the extent of the damage. Step 5. Unscrew and remove the pressure driver from the resin chamber to release any air trapped in the chamber. Reinsert the pressure driver and screw down again to displace any air remaining in the brake. To determine if the repair resin has been absorbed into the brake, look at the glass from an angle of about 45 degrees. Make sure no air bubbles remain in the brake. Examine the glass from directly behind the damaged area. After the air has been removed, turn the resin chamber and pressure driver together half a turn to the left, counterclockwise. Remove the entire apparatus by lifting up on the small tabs on the suction cups. Gently wipe away excess repair resin from the applicator so it does not drip down the windshield. Add a drop of the repair resin onto areas where damage is still visible and cover with a curing strip for the finishing touches. When applying the curing strips to the repair, no pressure is necessary. Gently place the strips on the glass. Allow the repair resin to cure completely, about 5 to 10 minutes, then remove the curing strips. If the repair resin is still wet under the strips, leave the until the repair resin is dry. Scrape away the hardened excess resin with the razor blade. Rain-X is a trademark of Illinois Tool Works Incorporated and/or its affiliates. Distributed by ITW Global Brands, a division of ITW.